All right, so while I'm waiting for it to boil up, real simple, switch on the side, turn it on. This is going to tell you what the pressure is at. So obviously it's got to move up to probably more the yellow. This is just your pressure gauge to adjust how much pressure you had. I have it set almost at like all the way. This is your wand with the trigger. And then you're going to get an end piece like this that you can attach it directly to the wand or to the stick. What I found with the stick was that it was bending on me as I was pressuring a lot of things on. So I just took a hockey stick and did it like that. That way I could add a lot more pressure, because what's going to happen is this is going to bend on you. So some kind of support would be pretty good, especially if you really want to get in there. And they come with a bunch of different ones that you'd want to do as far as hardwoods, and it has a big wand on it on the end of it if you want to use it. So what we're looking for is in the green section. I don't want it to go into the yellow. It says once it's in the green, it's ready to go. So looks like it's ready to go right now. Clean this up. So as you can see, that is a pretty good job right there.